welcome to Homeschool. This is your Class 7 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our Chapter 5 Lines and Angles. We have seen in our first part with all the introduction what we are going to deal in this chapter. Now in this session, we are going to continue with the exercise. That is your exercise 5.1, first main. Find the complement of each of the following angles. Children, you know what is a complement of an angle? Complementary angles. The pair of angles sum will be 90 degree. They have given one angle. You need to find the complement of this angle. Another angle, what it is, you need to calculate. You can just remember here, complement angle, how can you find? That is, complement angle is equal to 90 degree minus given angle. You can remember, easy to remember. Or you can take this 20 and another angle x, 20 degree plus x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 minus 20, x is equal to 70. Either that method you can choose or you can go with this method. What is this? Complement angle if you want to calculate. In 90 degree, you subtract the given angle. That means 90 degree minus, what is the given angle here? 20 degree. 90 minus 20, it will be, subtract 90 minus 20, it will be 70 degree. Therefore, complement angle for 20 degree is equal to 70 degree. Similarly, let us find out other two problems. Given angle is 63 degree. Complement angle is equal to 90 degree minus given angle. What is given angle here, children? Given angle is 63. 90 degree minus 63 degree. Subtract now, how much it will be? 90 minus 63. 10 minus 3, 7. 10, 1 already taken here, so 8 minus 6 will be 2. Therefore, the complement angle is equal to 27 degree. Right here, children, complement angle. Complement angle for 63 degrees is 27 degree. Similarly, last problem, given angle is 57 degree. What is the complementary angle for this? Complement angle is equal to 90 minus given angle. What is the given angle here, children? It is 57 degree. 90 minus 57. 90 degree minus 57 degree. 10 minus 7, 3. 8 is left. 8 minus 5 will be 3. That is 33 degree. Therefore, complement angle is equal to, complement angle of 57 degree is equal to 33 degree. That's it. This is very easy now. See the second main. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. In this main, you have 3 sub-questions. You can see here. What is supplementary angle? Supplementary angle means a pair of angles sum is 180 degree. So, you can remember this one as supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree minus given angle. If you remember this, you can find any angle, children. 180 degree minus given angle. So, supplementary of or supplement angle. Supplement of 105 degree is equal to, what is the angle? If you want, you can take here also. Supplement of 105 degree is equal to 180 degree minus, what is the given angle? 105. 180 minus 105 degree. Subtract, children. 180 degree minus 105 degree. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So your answer is 75 degree. Supplement of 105 degree angle is 75 degree angle. Similarly, second one, supplement of what is the given angle here? Supplement of 87 degree is equal to 180 degree minus given angle. What is the given angle here? 180 degree minus 87 degree. Subtract now. 180 degree minus 87 degree. 10 minus 7 will be 3. 7 will be there. 17 minus 8 will be 9. 93 degree. Therefore, supplement of 87 degree is 93 degree is your answer. If you add these two children, your sum will be 180. Next one. Supplement of 154 degree is equal to 180 degree minus given angle. What is the given angle here? Third sub question. Given angle is 154. Write down here and now subtract. 180 degree minus 154. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 5, 2. 26 degree is your answer. Supplement of 154 degree is 26 degree. See the third main. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. You have an idea about what are complementary angles and supplementary angles. Complementary angles mean given pair of angles sum. Sum means if you add those two angles, if you get 90, then that pair of angles is called as complementary angles. If the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree, then we call them as supplementary angles. Let us check it out. 90 complementary, 180 supplementary. First sub question in it, 65 degree, 115 degree. Let us add and see 65 degree plus 115 degree. Directly you can add children. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And you have 1 here. What you got? 180 degree. 180 degree means immediately what you remember? Supplementary angles. You write 65 degree, 115 degree are supplementary angles. Or just you write these pair of angles are supplementary. You can write anyway the statement. Second one, 63 degree, 27 degree. Add these two, 63 degree plus 27 degree. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 90 degree. 90 means complementary. These angles, these pair of angles also you can write. These angles are complementary. These angles are complementary. See the third one. 112 plus 68 degree. It will be 8 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 1. 180 degree. These two sum is how much? 180 degree. If it is 180, then what you can say? Therefore, the pair of these pair of angles are supplementary. Therefore, the pair means two. Pair of angles are supplementary. Okay. Next, see the fourth one. 130 degree, 50 degree. Add these two angles. 130 degree plus 50 degree. It will be 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 1. 180 degree. 180 means supplementary. Therefore, these angles are supplementary. These angles are supplementary. So the last two, 45 plus 45, directly you can say no. 45 degree plus 45 degree, it will be 90 degree. If it is 90, the sum of these angles is 90, then these two angles are complementary. Therefore, these angles are complementary. Okay, last one, 80 degree plus 10 degree. 80 plus 10, directly you say it is 90. If the sum is 90, we say that these angles are complementary. Therefore, the angles are complementary. Simple children, what the given pair of angles identify first, add those two angles. If their sum is 90, complementary angles. If their sum is 180, supplementary angles. See the fourth problem. Find the angles which is equal to its complement. Find the angles which are equal to its complement. What do you mean by this? Okay, let me take two angles. This angle I don't know and this angle I don't know. They gave a question, find the angles which is equal to its complement. Suppose if this angle complement is also equal, it seems. How it will be? Okay, let us assume angle x. Then this angle also x. Two angles are equal. Then what is that value? X value you need to find out. Therefore, you need to write here, let the equal angles, let us assume equal angles children, let the equal angles be x degree. When we say they are complementary, when their sum is equal to 90, we say they are complementary. We need to find what are the equal angles. So, add these two, x plus x is equal to 90. X plus x is how much? 2x. 2x is equal to 90 degree. 2 is multiple. Send other side. It will be divided. 90 degree by 2. It will be 45 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 45 degree. What is this angle? 45 degree. And what is this angle? 45 degree. Right? Therefore, 45 degree is the angle which is equal to its complement. That's it. Understand here carefully. Two angles will be there. Two angles, same answer it seems. And they are complement to one another. How we can get? If we assume x and this is also x, add these two. X plus x will be complementary means 90. So 2x is equal to 90, x is equal to 90 by 2, 45 degree. Therefore, 45 degree is equal to its complement. Similarly, you have one more problem like this. Find the angles which is equal to its supplement. There it is complement. Now supplement. Okay, let us take the angles. Both the angles, same children. So let me take again x. X degree, x degree. When they are supplement, what you can say? Their sum must be equal to 180 degree. Let the equal angles be x degree. Now add this pair of angles. X plus x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x will be 2x. 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 2 is a multiple. Send other side. It will be divided. 2 90s you are going to get. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degree. What is this 90 degree? This angle is 90, means angle won't be like this. Perpendicular, children. Okay. This is 90 and another angle is also 90 degree. Okay, understood? Therefore, 90 degree is equal to its supplement angle or equal to its supplement. Right? Try to understand the concepts carefully, children. This chapter is very easy. Try to concentrate carefully and practice this all. Okay, with this we are going to end our session today. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next problems. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.